Wouldn't it be nice to have a tool that allows you to show all of your favorite places on a single map? Imagine if this tool could also plan routes and display areas on a map. And now stay cool, this tool really exists. It's called Google My Maps, and you will find out more about it in a few seconds. Hello, my name is Thomas. I'm your outdoor tech instructor. I'm your expert in outdoor navigation, fitness apps and trackers. At the beginning, I announced the multifunctional tool Google My Maps. I want to introduce you to Google My Maps. I will explain what you have to do to be able to use Google My Maps, where can you find Google My Maps, and whether My Maps is also available as a mobile app. Today, we are just taking a quick look at the Google My Maps user interface. In later tutorials, we will deal with the functions of My Maps and create map examples. After all, I show you some examples of what you can use this tool for. To use Google My Maps, you only need a Google account. If you don't have one yet, register and log into it. Google has also developed a My Maps application for the Android mobile operating system. This app has a slightly smaller range of functions than the web version, but it is a useful companion when you are on the go. When you are logged into Google, open Google Maps, then open the menu, your places. The last tab, Maps, is Google My Maps. Here you will find a list of all your created and visited maps. Do you already know Komoot? With Komoot you can plan, navigate and record tours for cycling, hiking and running. In this video I show you how to navigate with the Komoot app. You can see the link in the top right corner and you can also find it in the video description. With Create Map, you create a new map. Here, locations and shapes for areas are arranged in layers. A total of 10 layers are possible. A map can contain up to 10,000 locations and shapes. The limit for a layer is 2,000 locations and shapes. For example, you can create locations by importing GPX files, add locations using the search function, or by placing them on the map. You can use this location to plan and display routes. In addition, lines and other shapes can be drawn, colored, labeled, and calculated. Up to 6 different maps are available to you. If you have created a map, you can also share it via a link. Embedding the map in a website is also very popular. Now I want to show you a few examples for My Maps. Example number 1 is an overview map. When I moved to Magdeburg, I created a map in which I saved all the important places. There I can easily find supermarkets, gas stations, workshops, ATMs and much more. To search for places inside your map, you can turn on or turn off different layers for a better overview. Now only food and drink is activated and I can see here supermarkets and other stores. You can also create such a map for your vacation or business trip. There you can save bars, restaurants, cinemas and other locations. The second example is a documentation of a trip. We toured Sweden and Norway for 3 weeks. The example shows the route and locations along the route. You can put into the locations your own pictures and video, and you can put in commands and so on. Example number 3 shows the stadiums of the 3 professional football leagues in Germany. They are divided into layers from League 1 to League 3. So you can just show the stadiums of one or more leagues. In example, you want to show the stadiums of the Erste Bundesliga. Just hook on here the layer Erste Bundesliga, and you will see all stadiums is the list is from, I think it's 2019 or 2018. So, and here are the names of the stadiums, and you can also use it to navigate to the stadiums. Then I have a very nice example from another creator. Here you can see very well how shapes can be used to color map areas. It is a map about the American Civil War with colored Union states, colored federal states, and theaters of war. In one of my next videos, we will create some maps so you can use Google My Maps for your purposes. I'm Thomas, your auto tech instructor. See you next time.